Imagine, if you will, sitting down to your morning coffee, turning on your home computer to read the day's newspaper. Well, it's not as far-fetched as it may seem. In fact, both local San Francisco papers are investing a lot of money to try and get a service just like that started. Science editor Steve Newman reports on one person already using the brand new system.
The lower oil pan is finally all sealed up all the way around. Hopefully it's sealed tight and it's sealed good. I don't see any leakage so far, which is a good thing. But as you guys can tell, I actually had a bolt break right here. So this bolt isn't actually in all the way, but I mean, we're pretty sealed up in there. And then going all the way around, I actually had this bolt in the back, of course, break on me. So I'm pretty sure if I dump some oil in there, I'll hear that bolt in there. Holy sheep shit, my guy, he almost ran my feet over. But back here, just some really fun stuff. I mean, nothing too crazy. We got the seal in. I hope it stays sealed. And I hope that we don't have any more oil leaks, because that shit is just so annoying. I hate lower pan oil leaks. The most obnoxious thing ever. But as you guys can see, I got oil leaking right there from the top of the cams. Hopefully that'll be all fixed as well. I'm about to seal this back up and then get this coolant drained, and then I'll have that all flushed out, because I'm actually trying to flush my coolant right now. Holy shit. Anyways, the neighbors just lit a firework, but hopefully that cures where all of this was leaking at, because it was leaking out from these bottom seals. And I'm just gonna give it a little bit of time right now to hopefully cure underneath, and then we'll drop some oil in there. I'll drop some water into there, run it on hot for a little bit, and then drain out all of the water and stuff like that and start pouring more coolant into it. So we'll see you guys as soon as it gets time to pour the oil in. Well, I just got all the fluids poured back in. I put the oil in. I got the coolant cleaner put in. And from the looks of it down here, it's just water dripping. But other than that, I don't have any leaks. So, no leaks. It's looking good. Cams are looking good. It's just leftover oil that I couldn't clean up. But other than that, dude, I'm hoping when I take it around for a spin, I won't have oil blowing out everywhere. I'm gonna clean up the motor tomorrow as well. So I'll get back to you guys as soon as we get all of this shit cleaned up. Everything is looking pretty good though. So hopefully it stays looking good.